Commissioner General of Uganda Revenue Authority Doris Akol and a team of senior officials of the tax body made their third appearance in 2 weeks before the Parliamentary Committee on Commissions, Statutory Authorities and State Enterprises. The committee is investigating the 6 billion shillings payout to 42 government officials for their role in the tax case Uganda won against 2 oil companies, Heritage and Tallow, in a London court over 4 years ago. Akol and URA Assistant Commissioner for Litigation Ali Sekatawa denied claims that the team disguised the 6 billion shillings reward as payment of arrears for Makerere University non-teaching staff. The duo said Ministry of Finance officials were better placed to explain the labeling of that supplementary budget.
Did you ever seek a supplementary budget for this case?
That request originated from the Ministry of Finance. We would like to request the Honourable Committee to ask the Ministry of Finance what they were considering in making the request as they did.
On whether the reward was based on the individual effort of the officers who handled the tax case, the senior URA official said it was collective effort.
This was a team reward.
The MPs also tasked URA Chief Doris Akol whether she was not conflicted since she was the accounting officer of the payout, now dubbed the Golden Presidential Handshake, yet she was among those who got the lion's share, taking over 200 million shillings.
The President has initiated the reward because you have performed very well, you have used extraordinary skills. Why are you justifying how much and why he should give you that money?
The President had the powers and the prerogative under those 2 articles to reward.
The firm was hired in London, fully paid for. So what business do you have again rewarding yourself? Yet there was a formal payment for a law firm to do the work.
Another query was whether the officials merited the reward since government spent over 80 billion shillings to hire a private law firm in London to present her in the tax cases.
Which case exactly we won and into which terms according to the court's judgment? Because there is contrary information we are getting from London that we actually did not win any case. You opted for a settlement.
The actual award, the detail of it is with the Attorney General.
Not even talk about our concept. I'm a lawyer of some sizable standing. You cannot tell me that they quote concepts without reading the case. You mean they make reference to cases in rumors?
It was filed by Heritage Oil and Gas Limited against the Republic of Uganda, which is the subject of from which the presidential handshake was given, was won by the government of the Republic of Uganda. Details of the amounts and those will be given by the Attorney General.
The URA officials were also put to task on why some tax assessors never benefited from the payout, yet they did the donkey work.
The meetings you attended in URA, can you list the persons who were involved?
Alan Kajina was involved. The board secretary, who was then Jennifer Mosisi, Doris Akol, who was the assistant commissioner in charge of policy, rulings and board affairs.
Our only problem is there is some name we are seeing and we don't see him at the end of the process.
I didn't come up with that list of beneficiaries. It wasn't my responsibility.
Did Mr. Bernard play a role?
He played a role because his even name appears on the assessment.
Thank you.
The committee will have its last interaction with the URA officials on Friday before meeting other parties, beginning with the payout beneficiaries from Attorney General's chambers and later the Finance Ministry. Maurice Ochol, NTV at Parliament.